One of the first questions I get asked about when in contact with a new client is about cost. Typically that's not necessarily the best way to take a look at a new project, but it is probably a very high concern. People are thinking, well, can we do this? Is the question that comes behind from. And regardless of the cost, if what you want is going to be made available to you through whatever resource you get or have. If you're already talking to me, then you already understand that, or most likely understand that your bank is already going to finance this, or that you have enough savings to do something like an extension on a home, or to looking at finally building that custom home that you've always wanted most of your life. And so the costs really are a secondary issue once the design is completed. But let's just talk quickly about the costs. In the last few years, there have been a lot of ups and downs to it, yes, for sure. But right now, in 2023, this summer, in the busiest season ever, we are seeing probably the most stable set of pricing that's ever happened in 5 years. And the reason being is that everybody is so busy, supplies are there. If anything, right now, because we're so busy, there's a slowdown. There's a slowdown to getting the supply and demand met. So what does that necessarily mean? Well, it means essentially that if you don't already have your supplies ordered and ready to ship by the end of this summer, chances are you're going to see a major shift upwards in costs. And that means if you decided to put off that custom home or extension or so on this summer in 2023, you're going to probably pay at least upwards in the direction of about 15 to 20% more. And let's say the beginning to mid 2024. So best thing you could do right now is get on it.